What I want, tubers, I am Kemar and welcome back to the Rotted Show. So, Dr. Anthony Mackenzie, pastor of the Walk by Faith Tabernacle Apostle here in Kingston, is now under fire after receiving what some would call more than a generous offering by a member of his flock. Mackenzie said that the church member gave him a Honda Accord and a BMW X5 because, and I quote, God instructed him to do so. And despite pleas from family members of his church to return them, the pastor says that he has no intention of giving them back. The pastor said that he went back to him 3 times to give him back, and he said he doesn't want it because the Lord told him to give them to me and he wants me to have it. So I said, okay. Family members are still not convinced as they believe their son and brother is being manipulated by his shepherd. I'm not entirely sure what that means. The father of the generous son, who is literally now walking by faith, find it unusual for a 30-year-old educated adult to give away both vehicles to the same pastor. Now, persons on social media are saying that let God will be done, whilst others believe that this young man might not be mentally sound. So what are your thoughts, tubers? Is this pastor manipulating this young man? I would love to know in the comment section below. And whilst we're on the topic of spirituality, Minister of National Security Robert Montague revealed in Parliament today that devil worship may be associated with some of these brutal crimes.
We have been discovering altars to facilitate devil worship in many places where raids have been conducted by the security forces.
He also apologized for the statement he had made last year regarding his uncle being an Obia man.
I want to apologize for that remark and the offensiveness it has caused, and to give the assurance and publicly state that I am not into devil or evil worship in any way, shape or form.
And believe it or not, we are going to shift focus on something a bit more disturbing. Viewers' discretion is advised. I'll comment on this video a bit further in the near future, but in the meantime, these are some of the problems in our country. A moral decline. Children no longer have the bliss, virtue of being just that, children. This is wrong on all fronts, and these parents and adults present here should be shot with this. And here's a little bit of good news. The Usain Bolt Foundation, as the promise, handed over $1 million to the Walker's Place of Safety to help in its reconstruction. Bolt's speedy response in aid to assist have also helped others to do the same.
To the younger kids, just stay strong. I know it might be rough right now.
I am also still waiting on Dr. Peter Phillips to hand over that $250,000 that he had initially promised. Anyways, thanks again, tubers, for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. And of course, you know that this channel is not just about me telling you what's going on in Jamaica. It's also to formulate a discussion. So please, I'd love to know what your thoughts are on any of these stories that I covered. Until next time.